Hello lovelies, I hope the weather isn't kicking your butt like it's doing mine. Well, a client requested a full lace wig boho braid, and that's what I'm doing. So I said to take you guys on how I parted this wig, or this full lace wig, because I actually searched online to see, because no matter how I know how to do anything, I always still like to see what others are doing, and who knows, I could pick up a thing or two, and I did not see. It was so sad. I'm working with a full lace wig. The full lace wig I'm working with, it has Swiss lace at the back and HT lace in front. I prefer my wigs combined this way, and then the hairs on it are short because it's 6 inches. I also prefer to braid on shorter length. It's easier to hide the hair than working with the regular normal long lengths of hair. So yeah, HT laces in front are usually fragile, and if you're a braider, you know that braiding on full lace wig requires a lot of pressure, tugging, tension on these caps, and if you're not careful, it could rip. So I prefer to deal with that HT in front than having it all over because it's soft. So I have already prepped this full lace. I've bleached it, the knots and everything. I've washed it, and right now I'm just sectioning out the cornrows. My client wants something between medium and small. I haven't quite decided how many I'm going to do at the back. Once I get to the front, then I bring out the baby hairs, which is what I'm doing. You can do the regular style of bringing out baby hairs all round, which I do sometimes, or you could just bring out some hair at the ear tab, around the eyebrow, and in front, in the center, so that the client can have what to play around with. Yes, so finally I decided to go for 3 at the back. After much back and forth, I said to go for 3 at the back, which is from here is the back. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. This is what the size looks like. I just like to go in rows like this instead of doing so many parts. Those things waste and take up so much time, but those that do it, it's also good. Yeah, so this is what the middle part looks like. I have about 9 of this. Okay, so this last one would make it the 9th one. This is what the parts look like. This is what the parts look like, and she's very comfortable. I also have a video on how I attached the miracle knots or the boho braids to this hair, which I'm going to leave in this the link in this video for you guys to watch it as well. This is what the hair looks like, and this is what I was trying to explain in the beginning. The HT lace is soft and fragile, and it's beautiful, by the way. It gives the perfect melt. So see how it looks against my my skin. So you can imagine what it will look like on my client's head. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you found it helpful.